Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to create Likee accounts. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store app or App Store and download Likee app. Having done that, you just have to click on Likee app or click on the open option to open it. So the next thing you have to do, this is my Likee homepage, is to click on the profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So in order to create a Likee account, there are different ways to create it. So I'll just select creating it with my Google by clicking on login with Google. I'll select the account. I'm selecting the first one here. So you're just going to log in. So all I have to do here now is to write my date of birth, type in my date of birth. I'm just select my date of birth, click on confirm. So I'm making use of this username. You just have to click on done. So the next thing I can do here now is to discover more friends by clicking on connect contacts. With this, if I allow it, that means Likee will be able to connect to my contacts and friends, and they will be able to reach me on my Likee app. I can also go to my profile image here, click on change avatar, and also change my avatar to any shape I want, and just it will be that way. Having done that, the next thing I have to do is to have access to my Likee. Can play with my Likee, can watch other people's feeds. So guys, that is it on how to create a Likee account. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.